Hey y'all, welcome back. Hope you can hear me over this tractor. Got a little field, we need to do some bush hogging down the road. Sweet old lady takes, been around, well, I've known her all my life. She's amazing. She remembers every person around here, all their children, their names, their birthdays. It's crazy just to sit down and talk to her. But anyway, we got a field here. We used to bush hog in exchange for hunting the property. We hadn't hunted in years, but I still try to bush hog it a couple times a year, keep it down. There's a cemetery in the back, so we try to maintain the place. But anyway, I'll show you when I get there. Now there's the field. It's gotten a little out of hand because I should have been here, been busy doing other projects, and well, just hadn't got around to it. Bring that excavator over here and do some tree trimming. Old fields like this, if you don't maintain them, those bushels will just grow out. Next thing you know, you done lost 40, 50 foot of the field all the way around. Have to talk to her about that, see if she wants me to clean some of that up. I've asked her about doing other things with the field, but she just wants it maintained. There you can see the cemetery there. She just wants it maintained so she can have access there. And there's 5 or 6 graves there now. I don't know if anybody ever comes out here other than her, but we'll keep it up best we can. You have to be careful bush hogging around here anyway. Her dad used to keep hogs, and there's fence stuff everywhere, so pretty easy to get tangled up in stuff if you don't be careful. Don't rip any more antennas off today. this project up. Field's done. Clean up around these trees a little bit. She likes to keep it open as possible. Needing to bring the excavator down here and get rid of some of these stumps. Somebody else cut those trees that kind of hide there. I don't want to tear nothing up. Now that we're through bush hogging, let's see if we can blow this radiator out. It gets pretty warm in the summertime, pulling that hard for long periods of time. It don't take much block of airflow to make it a lot worse. Those larger tractors give you a nice pull-out screen, but this one you just got to do the best you can. All right, guys, that's enough fun for one day. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you next time. Bye.